Hello, in this demonstration we will show how to perform secure cryptographic tasks in FLUIDOS using services available on the platform. In this case, OPTEE. In this diagram, the local FLUIDOS node receives the intent but lacks OPTEE capability. The orchestrator detects this and queries the rear to discover suitable candidates. Let's see how this works in a real scenario. On the left, we have the orchestrator, and on the right, the terminal showing cluster information. From the console below, we will launch the policy, which will be explained next. Here we can see the policy. It specifies that the security environment type must be OPTEE, ensuring that only nodes with the required secure environment will be considered for executing the task. This other section defines a digital signature action, specifying that the operation will run in the OPT environment and using the defined key and signature identifiers. Once the policy is launched, the orchestrator node receives it and immediately begins the orchestration process. The orchestrator then creates the necessary solver to acquire additional resources, as the local node lacks OPTEE capabilities. By examining the solver description, we can observe that it is specifically searching for a candidate node that can securely execute tasks within the OPTEE environment, ensuring compliance with the security requirements specified in the policy. In this diagram, we can see two FLUIDOS domains, one without OPT capabilities and another that provides OPT support. After the previous steps, the cryptographic workload is deployed on the remote OPT node, effectively offloading it, while all communication between nodes is handled securely through the LICO framework. With the test successfully executed, a new namespace is created to host the task's elements. A contract is also generated, with the contract manager handling resource negotiation. The reserve phase ensures the remote node's resources are secured before execution. Additionally, LICO-related resources, like the LICO tenant, are created to enable seamless communication. Finally, the response from OPTEE is returned, showing that the cryptographic task has been executed successfully. The output includes the generated key, the digital signature, and confirmation that the signature has been securely stored with its unique ID. Here we can see the resources created in the remote namespace. The OPT job has completed successfully, with a corresponding service exposed. This approach demonstrates a serverless-like execution model, where the cryptographic task runs as a transient job on the remote node. In conclusion, we have successfully verified that the initial policy has been correctly enforced and executed within the FLUIDOS platform. Thanks.